Beth and I are headed to Lake George today. We're gonna try doing the water for a change, and of course it's cold. I'm gonna try out my new sunproof, I don't know what you call it, sunscreen shirt that I got for our move to Florida. Figure I'd give it a shot here, give it a try. It's gonna be 75 degrees today, and I'll get you more videos when we get to Lake George. See you soon. Okay, we're up at a lake. It's pretty shallow here, so we're gonna give it a shot and see how it comes out. It's even a little volleyball area out here, so, and a picnic table in the water. That's cool. I'll get back to you when I find anything back to the waterfall, but Beth found this wonderful knife and it's in perfect condition. Fairly brand new, or is brand new. Nice. Is that the find of the day?
Unfortunately, yes.
The find of the day. Woohoo! Okay. I know, but those big old rocks. Oh. We're up at 23, 24, and it's green, but I'm sure it won't be an Indian. It's got to be a memorial or maybe a wheat. I don't have the right gloves on for rubbing either. Have you got rubbing gloves on? I don't have rubbing gloves on. Would you rub for me, please?
Got my rubbing gloves on. That's thick, though.
Okay. I can't see anything yet.
I can't see anything yet.
Try enlarging.
Memorial.
Frickin'. You don't know how well you can see that. Beautiful shelves of rock. Probably bedrock, I don't know. Cool. Just want to show you, this is the waterfall. Oh my gosh. You can hear it very well. Wait for them to come out. Oh, this looks man-made here. Yeah, that's definitely man-made. This isn't natural. That's natural, but this is not. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I can imagine what it looks like down there. That's where the trail goes, I assume. Okay, I go get my crap. So we're at the waterfall anyway. It was just up here. It's just up at this area here. This is where I took the picture from. I don't know how well you can see this. I don't think he's doing it justice. It's beautiful though. This is probably a good area too. I would think. You can see people have walked along here. There's like stepping stones right here. That is so cool. This place is beautiful. We definitely have to come back. We'll go to the bottom next time. Wow. It's just gorgeous. You want to just swing here for 10 minutes and we'll scoot out?
Yep.
All right, let's do that. He must be used to people. He doesn't seem to be scared. Cool. Okay, I'm back at the creek where I found the Indians. This ring up is 16. I believe it's a bullet. Maybe a dropped bullet. Doesn't look like it was fired. I'm not sure though. It looks like it could have a couple rings on it. I don't know, but that's pretty cool. All right, moving on. It's super thin nickel. No way I'll get a date off of it. You can't tell it's thin, but it's very thin, especially on this side. Cool. The back's pretty much so gone. This is cool. Some kind of a knob. Oh, yeah, 1920. No idea how old that might be or where it's from. Check it out later because there are words on there if we can get them, make them out. Okay. Moving on. This is interesting. It looks like a little globe. It's probably a finial of some type. It's heavy, running up 2122. That's cool though. Probably copper. So let me show you this beautiful creek. Okay. I wonder if this is one of those clay pipes. It's got writing on the side. Can't make that out. Figure that out later. Tiny hole there. Probably a hole here. I wonder if it is one of those clay pipes. How cool. All right, moving on. Thought you might want to see this beautiful area. Obviously, I'm not getting down there. It's probably 20 foot below me. I don't see a way down. That rock right about here looks to be 10 foot tall from the water surface. Guess the only way in there is to walk from all the way up there. Okay. Smells really nice.